In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and save notebooks in Microsoft OneNote. Exporting your notebooks is an essential skill if you want to back up your work, share content with others, or move your notes to another device or application. OneNote makes this process simple, and understanding the options ensures you preserve your notes exactly how you need them. To begin, open the OneNote desktop app and navigate to the notebook you want to export. Go to the File tab and then select Export. Here you'll see several options for exporting your content. You can choose to export a single page, a section, or the entire notebook, depending on what you need. Selecting the entire notebook is useful when you want a full backup, while exporting individual pages or sections is ideal for sharing specific content. Next, choose the file format. OneNote offers a few different options. Exporting as a OneNote package, or .1pkg, keeps all content intact, including pages, sections, and formatting, and allows you to import it back into OneNote later. You can also export as a PDF, which is great for sharing with others who don't use OneNote. For more flexible options, some users choose Word or XPS formats, which let you edit or archive content outside of OneNote. Once you select the format, click Export, and choose a location on your computer to save the file. Give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. If you are backing up a notebook for long-term storage, consider saving it to an external drive, cloud storage, or both. This ensures you always have a copy if your computer encounters issues. OneNote notebooks stored on OneDrive or SharePoint can also be exported, giving you an extra layer of security and easy access across devices. Once your notebook is exported, you can verify the file by opening it in the chosen format. If it's a OneNote package, you can double-click it to open and restore the notebook in OneNote. For PDF or Word files, simply check that all pages and sections are included and readable. By using the export feature in OneNote, you can safely back up your work, share your notes with others, and ensure your content is portable. Taking a few moments to export your notebooks regularly is a smart habit that keeps your important information secure and accessible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.